Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, Introduction to Ecology. In the introduction, the term ecology first of all introduced by the writer in 1868, but because of the German biologist Ernst Haeckel in 1869, first of all fully defined this term and made an extensive use of this term in his writing. The term ecology was coined by combining two Greek words, oikos meaning house or dwelling or place, and logos meaning of the study of, to denote such relationship between the organism and their environment. Thus literally ecology is the study of an organism at home. Ecology is the study of an organism at home. Then the scientific definition of the ecology is that ecology is a scientific study of interaction among organisms with each other and their environment or surrounding. It means that relationship between the different organisms with their different surrounding. It means the surrounding environment. In this surrounding environment, number of things are present. It means the water or the environmental all natural factors plus different type of the organism. This term is called as the ecology. Then going toward the biosphere. What is meant by the biosphere? Biosphere is the portion of the planet or the portion of the earth where life exists, including land, water, air or atmosphere. Right now, biosphere means the planet, okay, and in this planet number of organisms life exist here, and in this planet including the different type of the thing, that is atmosphere, land, water and air. Then what is ecology? Ecology means ecology is the study of interaction that take place between organism and their environment. What is ecology? Ecology is the study of interaction that take place between the organism and their environment. It means different type of the organisms present on the earth, and between these organism and their surrounding things, different type of the interaction take place. This is called as the ecology. Okay. Here after the ecology, why do we study ecology? Why ecological study is important? Because understanding the relationship between the ecosystem, okay, and in this ecosystem helps struggling population important, prevent species from dying out, and understand how we impact the environment. Okay, it means the different organisms live in the this planet. Okay, different type of the relation take place between these organisms and different type of the environment, like that of the water, air, atmosphere, like this. But which type of the changes take place, this type of the study is very important for in the ecology. Then an organism environment. In the organism environment, you know that two types of the factor is that first one is the organism and second one is the environmental study. Right now, and in this environment, it means in the atmosphere, two important thing is that first one is the biotic component and second is the abiotic components. In the biotic components, different type of the organisms are included. It means that in biotic component are the living thing that make up an organism environment. For example of these biotic components are the animal, plants, fungi and bacteria. It means that all the biotic environment, it means all the living things are present in the biotic component, and including human, plant, animal and fungi, bacteria are the example of the biotic component. This is very important point. Okay, then going toward the abiotic component. Abiotic component is also called as the non-living things or the non-living components or the non-living factor. It means the surrounding factor present in the environment. For example, temperature, air, current, water and atmosphere, like that of the biosphere. Right now, it means the organisms present in the biotic component and the different type of the surrounding factor present in the abiotic component. This is very important point present in the ecology. First one is the biotic component and second one is the abiotic component. In the biotic component, all the living thing present, and in the abiotic component, all the non-living thing present here. And in the biotic component, example is the animals including human, plants, fungi and bacteria. And the example of the abiotic components are the temperature, air, water, atmosphere. Then going toward the organism in the environment. Which type of the organisms present here? There are a lot of factors which make up an organism environment. To avoid confusion, ecologists organize the environment with different level. Right now, there are different level present in the environment. First one is the organism. You know that all the living things, all the living component present, that is called as the organism. For example, fungi, bacteria, plant, animals including human. Then population. Right now, then going toward the population, then community, then ecosystem and then the biosphere. These all factor is very important. Then organism means the indivisible. Right now, organism means the indivisible. But what is meant by the population? Population means a population is a group of indivisible organisms of the same species in a given area. It means that here the group of individuals present here or the group of organisms present here but of the same species. This is called as the population. Right now, then going toward the community. What is meant by the community? Community is a group of population of different species in a given area. Here also the group of organisms present here or the group of species present here but different species present here. It means the group of organism of the different species is called as the community. It means this is opposite to the population. In population also the group present here, community also group present here, but in the population only single species present, and in the community group of species present here, different species present here. Okay, then going toward the ecosystem. Okay, what is meant by the ecosystem? An ecosystem is the whole biotic community in a given area plus its abiotic environment. It means here not only the biotic component present, here also present the abiotic component. Right now, this is called as the ecosystem. Right now, then the biosphere. Biosphere means the biosphere is the layer of the planet Earth where life exists. Right now, this is all about the environmental factor. Right now, then going toward the level of organization. Okay, first one, organism, it means any living thing or the one indivisibles. Population means group of organism of the same species in a given area. Community means this community is made up from the population of different species. Right now, then ecosystem. Ecosystem is made up from the community of organism and its biotic factor. It means that the same biotic and abiotic factor. And biosphere means part of the earth where life exists. This point is very important here because this is the level of organization present in the environment. Then organization in the environment. Right now, here the population versus community. Right now, here the population means population consists of all the organism of the same species in given area. Right now, and community means community is all the member of the different species in the given area. Right now, it means in the organization in the environment, population is totally different from the community. Right now, it means in the population only same organisms present here. It means group of organisms present, no doubt, but the same species present here. And in the community, group of organisms present here but the different species. Right now, this is the organization in the environment. Right now, here you can see that organisms, population, communities, ecosystem, and the biosphere. Okay, these all are the this is the diagram of the start from the indivisible to the biosphere, that is the indivisible, population, community, ecosystem, and the biosphere. And the ecology organizing level thing in their environment, that is the biosphere. You know that organism in it means any type of the organisms present here, then population, community, and ecosystem, right? This is the differentiate between all these thing, that is different type of the environmental thing right now. And this environmental things start from the organism of the single species, then going toward the population, then going toward the community, then ecosystem, and last one is the biosphere. Right now, this is very important thing present here. Thank you very much.